This product was sent to me from a brand to do an honest review, and I may earn commissions on this video.
Hello guys, today we're reviewing Mr. Young's double sofa. But this is not like your typical sofa. This is an inflatable sofa. So I'm pretty excited. We reviewed their single chair inflatable and it was awesome. So okay, wow. So, I'm 5'9", 205 pounds. So if we sit the whole way over to the side, you can fit easily 2 people. However, you can fit 3 people if you got 2 medium sized and 1 small sized person or kids. This is actually pretty nice. I like this a lot. It's actually more comfortable than you think. This is cool. This is really nice. This is great for like a college student, great for camping, great for off-grid, great for a cabin, great for a spare room. This is great for just anywhere, really. Alright. Can we take a nap? Maybe get some pillows, some comfort covers here. Make it a little softer, but yeah. We could sleep like this. Like this. Bring our feet in. Overall, I like it, guys. That's cool. And it's lightweight too. It's super lightweight. You could probably even float on a pool or in a pond or on this.